Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaskar to all. Let's look at how September 2020 will be for Cancer or Karka Rashi natives. Firstly, let's look at the planetary positions. Venus is in your Rashi, that is in Cancer, that is first. Sun as well as Mercury will be in the second. You will have Jupiter as well as Ketu positioned in the sixth. Retrograde Saturn in the 7th, Mars in the 10th, and finally Rahu in your 12th house. So overall positive planets for you this month would be Ketu, Venus and Mercury. Rest of the other planets will be in a challenging position. However, Sun will become beneficial in the second half of the month. So as you can see, major planets are not in favorable positions for you. So you could face some unexpected challenges in this month, specifically related to your work. Some sudden change is also expected towards the second half of the month. Health will be better in the second half, though you may feel that this month is very challenging for you in the beginning. As this month progresses, you will start finding more relief and you will be on your path to better performance. Health, particularly if I have to talk about, there could be lack of sleep, mental anxiety, there are headaches which are indicated, there could be some digestive troubles, things like gastritis or indigestion could trouble you. Pain specifically in the legs is observed, there is a possibility. However, Sun will move to the third in the second half of this month, so you will get relief over all these health issues. Coming to career or business, working people may feel slightly low on confidence, specifically in the first half of the month. As the month progresses, they feel better. So some sudden change or gain, specifically in a role, there could be a position change, there could be an elevation, in the role. Something like that can be expected during the end of this month. As you reach the end, towards the end of this month, there is a possibility. Let's say you're looking for a job. So people who are looking for a job also could find a job in this month itself. So coming to businessmen, yes, the month is going to start with obstructions and there could be a lot of arguments which you may have to face. And towards the second half, you will have enough courage and positivity and equal confidence to overcome all these issues. That means specifically the obstructions. There could be victory in competition. Let's say if you are participating in some of the tenders, or if there is some fierce competition going on in one of the projects, I think you are more likely to win it, specifically towards the end of the month. If you are planning anything big, okay, it's advisable that you kind of initiate that action in the second half of this month. Coming to students, students may feel a little low on confidence in approaching problems. Okay, so towards the second half, I think things are going to get better for them. So the only mantra for them would be disciplined and just stay focused. So that is going to help them. If I have to talk about wealth or gains, you can expect some good gains or sudden gains coming your way in this month. Yes, there has been a lot of suffering in the past. Now I think you're going to have some better days, specifically towards the second half of the month. Speculation and gambling, it's better if you can avoid them. If it becomes mandatory, I think while speculating, take informed decisions which can help you. Gains as such will be average or slightly above average for you in this month. Now coming to the family relationship with your spouse may be disturbed. Children could cause some trouble. They may be more mischievous. Elders will need some attention, mainly towards their health. You could see some spending on health issues happening in this month. You have to pay close attention to your specifically to your thought process, which may get a little confusing at times. So this could also cause some discomfort in the family. So there are some remedies which you can do to go through this month. Specifically, you can keep reciting or listening to Narayana Kavacham every day. This will definitely help you in the long run. Praying to Goddess Durga for your overall prosperity will help. You can start visiting a Guru's temple on Thursdays. So that will bring in more positivity and also more blessings from the Gurus, which will help you to pass through comfortably this month. If you're planning to donate something, do Annadanam. That's the best. Donate rice. Either you contribute towards Annadanam or you give some quantity of rice to a temple. You can offer sweets. You can give milk. Offer white colored cloths, things related to moon specifically on a Monday. If you're looking at fasting, I think fasting on Saturday will definitely help you in this month. So please do these remedies and gain more, be more positive, and then push through with that confidence in this month. So I wish you all the best. Namaskar.